Practice English listening. The rainy day surprise. It's a rainy Thursday afternoon, and Mia is feeling a little sad. She sits by the window, watching the raindrops tap against the glass. The sky is gray, and everything outside looks wet and gloomy. I wish it wasn't raining, Mia thinks. I wanted to play outside today. Mia's mom notices her looking out the window and walks over with a warm smile. What's wrong, Mia? She asks gently. I'm bored, Mom, Mia replies with a sigh. It's raining, and I can't go outside to play. Her mom sits down next to her and says, I know rainy days can be a bit dull, but sometimes they can be the perfect time for a fun surprise. How about we do something special today? Mia's eyes brighten a little. Something special? What do you have in mind? Her mom grins and says, How about we bake some cookies? But not just any cookies. A special surprise cookie recipe that I haven't made in a long time. Would you like that? Mia's face lights up. Yes, Mom. That sounds like so much fun. They both head to the kitchen. Mia helps her mom gather all the ingredients they need. Flour, sugar, butter, eggs, and chocolate chips. What kind of cookies are we making, Mom? Mia asks as she places the ingredients on the counter. Her mom winks and says, We're making my famous double chocolate chip cookies with a secret ingredient. A secret ingredient? Mia repeats, feeling excited. What is it? It wouldn't be a surprise if I told you right away. Her mom replies with a playful smile. You'll see soon enough. Mia giggles and washes her hands, ready to start baking. Her mom shows her how to measure the ingredients carefully. They mix the flour and sugar together in a big bowl. Next, they add the butter and eggs, stirring until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Now, it's time for the secret ingredient, her mom says mysteriously. She reaches into the cupboard and pulls out a small bottle of vanilla extract. Just a little bit of this will make our cookies extra delicious, she explains, adding a few drops to the dough. Mia sniffs the vanilla and smiles. It smells so good. Okay, now we add the chocolate chips, her mom says, pouring them into the bowl. Mia stirs them in, and the dough starts to look perfect. They scoop the dough onto a baking sheet, making little balls. Mia watches as her mom places the sheet into the oven. How long do we have to wait, Mom? She asks, peeking through the oven door. Just about 10 minutes, her mom replies. But while we wait, we can make some hot chocolate. It's the perfect drink for a rainy day. Mia nods eagerly. Yes, please. I love hot chocolate. Her mom heats up some milk and mixes in cocoa powder and sugar. Soon the kitchen smells like chocolate and cookies. Mia wraps her hands around a warm mug of hot chocolate, taking a careful sip. This is so good, Mom. Just then, the timer goes off. The cookies are ready, Mia's mom announces. She takes the baking sheet out of the oven, and the whole kitchen fills with the smell of fresh, warm cookies. Mia can't wait to taste one. Her mom hands her a cookie, still warm and gooey. Mia takes a bite, and her eyes widen with delight. These are the best cookies ever, Mom. The vanilla makes them taste amazing. Her mom smiles. I'm glad you like them, Mia. See? Rainy days can be fun after all. Mia nods, happily munching on her cookie. You're right, Mom. This is the best rainy day surprise ever. They spend the rest of the afternoon enjoying their cookies and hot chocolate, laughing and telling stories. The rain continues to fall outside, but Mia doesn't mind at all. She knows that even rainy days can be filled with warmth, fun, and delicious surprises.